Ever feel like no matter how much you work out or eat clean, your weight just won't budge, or worse, it bounces right back? You're not lazy. You're not doing it wrong. You might just be stuck at something called your weight set point. Hi, I'm Ella Fit from the Health and Wellness team at Ubie Health. As one of the AI faces of Ubie's global network of over 1,200 medical providers and backed by insights from more than 12 million users, I'm here to help you separate fact from fiction, especially when it comes to sports medicine, fitness, and conditioning. With so much misinformation floating around online, it's more important than ever to get doctor-approved info you can actually trust. And that's exactly what you're getting today. Everything I'm about to share has been reviewed and approved by medical professionals. Let's talk about your weight set point. Think of it like your body's internal thermostat for weight. Once your body decides on a comfortable range, say 180 pounds, it does everything it can to keep you there. Cut calories, start cardio, even drop 10 pounds? Your metabolism may slow down, your hunger hormones kick up a notch, and your body pushes you back toward that original number, like it's working against you. Trust me, you're not alone. One of my clients, Natalie, a CrossFit coach, came to me saying, "I eat like an athlete and train like one, but my body stays the same." Sound familiar? So why is your set point so stubborn? And more importantly, can you change it? Yes. But first, let's break down what's going on behind the scenes. Number 1. Leptin resistance. Leptin is your fullness hormone, telling your brain, hey, we've had enough. But when you've been above your healthy weight for a long time, your brain starts to ignore leptin. This means you're hungrier, even when you shouldn't be. Number 2. Insulin resistance. If you're eating a lot of processed carbs and sugars, your insulin stays elevated. High insulin levels mean your body defaults to storing fat instead of burning it. Number 3. Inflammation. Too much body fat creates inflammatory molecules that mess with your brain's ability to regulate metabolism, specifically your hypothalamus, the control center for weight balance. This creates a vicious cycle that keeps your set point high. Number 4. Sleep and stress. Lack of sleep and chronic stress boost cortisol, a hormone that prompts your body to hold on to belly fat and cranks up cravings for high-calorie foods. Now, the good news. You can reset your set point naturally, sustainably, and yes, without starving yourself. First, focus on balancing leptin and insulin. Eat more protein and healthy fats. High-quality protein keeps you full and helps stabilize blood sugar and hormones. I'm talking grass-fed beef, salmon, eggs, and avocados. And ditch the ultra-processed carbs. Instead of toast and cereal, try a veggie and egg scramble for breakfast. Small swaps like this can make a huge difference. Second, reduce inflammation with whole, nutrient-dense foods. Load up on leafy greens, bone broth, turmeric, berries, and yes, organ meats if your stomach can handle it. Aim to cut out industrial seed oils, ultra-processed snacks, and alcohol when you can. Third, strength training is non-negotiable. Muscle mass boosts your baseline metabolism. 2 to 3 strength sessions per week can kickstart the reset of your set point. And don't underestimate non-exercise activity thermogenesis, or NEAT. This is movement outside the gym. Taking the stairs, walking while on calls, even fidgeting. One of my clients lost 12 pounds in a year just by walking 10,000 steps a day and lifting weights twice a week. Fourth, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours and create a wind-down routine. Dim the lights, power down screens, and consider magnesium or chamomile tea to help relax. Combine this with stress management techniques like meditation or mindful breathing. Even 5 minutes a day can help balance cortisol. And if fasting works for your body, try easing into intermittent fasting. Start with a 12-hour fast, say from 8 p.m. to 8 a.m., then gradually increase your window. It's not about suffering, it's about training your body to burn fat more efficiently, on its own. Here's the bottom line. Your set point isn't set in stone. Your body wants to find balance. With the right habits, done consistently, you can shift that default setting, lower your weight naturally, and most importantly, keep it there. Worried about your own health? Start by checking in with the Ubie Symptom Checker at ubiehealth.com. Its medical-grade, doctor-approved AI is like having a full on-call healthcare team right in your pocket. Always 100% free. And don't forget to like this video and follow Ubie Health for more doctor-approved info you can trust. I'm Ella Fit, see you next time.